In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page username just in few seconds. So this will be quick tutorial, easy and simple, step by step. So let's get started. So what you need to do first guys is you need to go to your Facebook home page like this, okay, to your page. And what you will do, you should see over here setting, okay, click over here on setting and you will be directly in this next page as you can see, and you should see over here general page setting. Okay, so you should see your page name over here, and under your name you have username. Okay, so what you will do, you will click over here on edit and you will put your new name here that you want to add, for example like this. Okay, this name is not available, so I'm gonna add 1, 2. Okay, so like this, you should find your username is available. If not, people are already using the same name, then you will click over here on save change and your page username will be changed. Okay, that's how you can change Facebook page username just in few seconds. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.